Hey everyone, we're all fortunate because our attractiveness isn't solely reliant on our looks. Even if you're an average-looking guy, possessing various skills in different aspects of life can make you incredibly attractive. In this video, let's delve into what I believe are the most appealing skills a man can have. Remember, all these skills can be honed through hard work and dedication. Let's dive in. Quick wit and a good sense of humor. The ability to think on your feet, crack timely jokes, and maintain a lighthearted atmosphere is invaluable. Making people laugh isn't just about humor, it's also about effectively defending yourself. It takes practice to develop this offensive and defensive skill, but it's absolutely priceless. Multilingualism. Speaking multiple languages is highly attractive. It showcases intelligence, curiosity about the world, and the patience required to learn a new language. Plus, it's incredibly practical for travel, understanding other cultures, and connecting with a wider range of people. Articulateness. Being able to express your thoughts, ideas, and emotions clearly, effectively, and engagingly is crucial. This skill aids not only in personal conversations, but also in professional life. Musical talent. Playing a musical instrument or singing well demonstrates creativity, dedication, and emotional depth. It's a universal language that connects people on a fundamental level. Manual skills. Whether it's woodworking, mechanics, gardening, or just being handy around the house, these skills demonstrate self-sufficiency, practicality, and capability. Culinary prowess. Cooking for yourself is a fundamental survival skill. Being able to take care of your basic needs is a hallmark of true adulthood. Athleticism. Excelling in a sport indicates physical fitness, discipline, dedication, and teamwork abilities. These traits project a healthy and active lifestyle. Artistry. Proficiency in painting, writing, photography, or any other artistic medium signifies creativity, sensitivity, and an appreciation for beauty. Social intelligence. The ability to navigate social situations effectively, pick up on social cues, and understand others' feelings and perspectives signifies empathy, understanding, and adaptability. Grace under pressure. Awkward situations are inevitable, but being able to navigate them with grace and humor demonstrates resilience and emotional intelligence. Teaching ability. Teaching implies patience, understanding, and effective communication skills. It shows confidence in your knowledge and the ability to help others grow and learn. Comfort with silence. Being comfortable with silence indicates self-assurance and contentment. It shows that you don't need constant chatter to be comfortable and secure in yourself. Driving skills. The ability to navigate road trips or handle daily driving is often overlooked but greatly appreciated. Your partner will appreciate having a competent driver, calm in chaos. Maintaining composure and clear thinking during chaotic situations shows leadership, resilience, and emotional strength. And finally, being good with animals and kids. This subtly indicates a nurturing and empathetic character, showing kindness, patience, and a loving nature. It also suggests the potential for being a good parent in the future, which is hugely attractive to many. Remember, just watching won't cut it. You need to practice these skills to develop them fully. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on new videos and learn more about enhancing your attractive qualities. Thanks for watching.